The Little Boy and the Mischievous Monkey's Adventure. In a lively village surrounded by tall trees and winding rivers, lived a little boy named Sam. Sam was curious and full of energy, always looking for new things to explore. One day, while Sam was playing near the river, he heard giggles and rustling in the trees. He looked up and saw a playful monkey swinging from branch to branch. The mischievous monkey snatched Sam's hat right off his head and ran into the forest. Sam chased after the monkey, laughing and calling out for his hat. As they ventured deeper into the jungle, Sam realized he had wandered far from home. But instead of feeling scared, he was excited to see where the monkey would lead him. The monkey led Sam to a hidden waterfall, where sparkling water cascaded down into a crystal-clear pool. It was a magical place, unlike anything Sam had ever seen. The monkey grabbed a vine and swung across the pool. Sam watched and thought it looked like so much fun. He grabbed a vine too and joined the monkey, swinging high above the jungle floor. Suddenly, Sam and the monkey found themselves facing a deep ravine. The only way across was to swing over it using the vines. Sam took a deep breath and went for it. They made it safely across and discovered an ancient treehouse hidden among the branches. Inside, they found an old wooden chest filled with sparkling jewels and gold coins. With the sun setting, Sam and the monkey decided to head back home. They took one last swing through the jungle before reaching the edge of the village. Sam thanked the monkey for the exciting day and promised to come back and visit. The monkey gave him back his hat and waved goodbye as it scampered back into the trees. Thank you for joining us on this fun adventure with Sam and his mischievous monkey friend. We hope you enjoyed the story. At Tumble Jumble, we publish a new rhyme or story every day, filled with fun, learning, and magical adventures. So, don't forget to subscribe to Tumble Jumble and come back tomorrow for another exciting tale.